Mikhail Zemplevsky, and this is my screencast for full stack CFO. So I've ran npm start on the app.js, and it does appear here in the Metro Builder. I've also found that I have to use the tunnel connection and not LAN or local to do this, and Android Studio sometimes doesn't open. It takes a really long time to open the project. That's why I'm gonna screen record on my phone and just add that in with the files at the end. So if we go here, I've added a map to my application, and I use the Google Maps API, and I have also been able to successfully print out my location, print out 2 different points, and set a direction or a route between the 2 points. I've also added a header and a footer, and this is all done in the code here. So if we go to home screen is the opening screen. So I have an image, a bit of text, and then I have a bottom tab navigation that switches between 2 different, so I can have the home screen, and then in the bottom tab I have a choice to go to the map or back to the home screen. So then in the maps I have a longitude set and a latitude, and the latitude delta is also set. And then the longitude delta is the aspect ratio, which is just the width divided by the height multiplied by latitude delta. It also comes in about 0.1. So then here we have a bit of styling, and then we have, these are the coordinates for the 2 different points. So this coordinate is, I believe, for Dundalk, this is for Dublin. And then we come down here, and this didn't end up working. This code did not work. This code did not work fully, but this works. Everything down from here works. So this prints out the map here if it's ready. This gets the coordinates of the different points. So then we have a distance set here. Here we have the map. So the map I imported using the map view. Here we have longitude, latitude, latitude delta, longitude delta, and then we have the map direction. So for me to be able to get the directions on the map, I had to put them in to map view directions. This was also imported here at the top from React Native Maps directions. So what we have here, the origin is the first coordinate, destination is the second coordinate, and here we have waypoint, we're also driving. My Google Maps API key, which I imported up here, is also used here to be able to actually set out a waypoint and to draw the line on the map. So then we have on start, when it starts, when it's ready. If there's an error, it console logs the error. And here we have the 2 markers for the map. So we have here a title of Dundalk, a title of Dublin, and here we close the app. And in order for me to print out, to be able to show the actual position of the device where it is on the map, I had to use this. So in the map view at the top, after the initial region, I had to show users location, which was also imported, I believe, as either location or in the map view maps. Yeah, so the map is fully functioning. You can scroll in, scroll out. On the front page, there's a scroller as well. I've added a footer, as you can see, in the header, which then come in here in header, footer. A lot of styling, images, text. That's about it.